Let us solve problem set number 1. Question number first. Select correct alternatives. Number 1. How many midpoint does a segment have? Answer is only one midpoint. Second, how many points are there in intersection of two distinct lines? There are only one point. Option C is correct option. How many lines are determined by three distinct points? If points are collinear, one line, and non-collinear, there are three lines. So option C is correct. Find distance AB if coordinate of A and B -2 and 5 respectively. The distance is 7. Option C is correct. If P dash Q dash R and distance PQ equal to 2, distance PR 10, then find distance QR. Then distance is 8. Option B is correct. Then question number 2. On number line, coordinate of PQR are -3, -5, 6 respectively. State with reason whether the statements given true or false. First of all, we find distance PQ, QR and distance PR. First, distance PQ. -3 -5 equal to 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Distance QR 6 -5, that is 6 plus 5 equal to 11. And distance PR equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Here we find these distances. Then check the statements one by one. First statement, distance PQ plus distance QR. Put the values, that is 8 plus 11 equal to 19. And here distance PR equal to 3. Distance PQ plus distance QR is not equal to distance PR. Therefore, the first statement given is a false statement. Check one by one other three statements. Then we get number second statement is false, third statement is true, and fourth statement is also false. Then question number 3. Coordinate of some pairs of points are given below. Hence find the distance between each pair. Here I solve only two examples which are different. Number 4. X and -2. There are three cases. 1. X is greater than -2. Then distance is x minus -2 equal to x plus 2. Second case, x is less than -2. Then distance equal to -2 minus x. Note that this -2 minus x is positive integer. 3 case, x equal to 0. Then the distance equal to 0 minus -2 equal to 2. Therefore, the distance between 2 points is x plus 2 or minus 2 minus x or 2. Number 5, x plus 3 and x minus 3. These are two coordinates. For any real value x, x plus 3 always greater than x minus 3. Therefore, distance between 2 points equal to in x plus 3 minus second bracket x minus 3. By solving this, x plus 3 minus x plus 3 equal to 6. So, distance between these 2 points is 6. You can solve other examples. Number 4. Coordinate of point P on number line is -7. Find the coordinate of points on number line which are at a distance 8 unit from point P. Here I draw a figure. Observe this. Coordinate of AX, coordinate of BY, and the P is -7. Let point A be point having coordinate X on the left side of P at a distance 8 from P. Here -7 greater than x and distance AP equal to 8. Then 8 equal to distance AP is -7 minus x. By solving this, we get x equal to -7 minus 8, x equal to -15. Therefore, coordinate of point A is -15. Then observe the figure. Let point B is the point having coordinate y on the right side of P at a distance of 8 from P. And here y is greater than -7 and distance PB equal to 8. Find distance PB. Then 8 equal to distance PB is y minus -7. So 8 equal to y plus 7, and therefore y equal to 8 minus 7, that is y equal to 1. Therefore coordinate of point B is 1. Question number 5. Answer the following questions. If A dash B dash C and distance AC is 17, distance BC 6.5, then find distance AB. Answer of the first question. Distance AB plus distance BC equal to distance AC. Reason A dash B dash C. Put the values. Distance AB plus 6.5 equal to 17. Therefore distance AB equal to 17 minus 6.5, and therefore distance AB equal to 10.5. Then second, if P dash Q dash R, distance PQ 3.4, distance QR 5.7, then find distance PR. Answer of the second question. Distance PR equal to distance PQ plus distance QR. Reason P dash Q dash R. Distance PR equal to 3.4 plus 5.7. Therefore distance PR equal to 9.1. Now question number 6. The coordinate of point A on number line is 1. What are the coordinate of points on number line which are at a distance 7 unit from A? There are also 2 points, one left side and one right side. Same example is example number 4. Solve this example using the method of solving example number 4.